you about entire BeraChain airdrop process. How do you join? Okay, today I will talk about the one of the part that I have missed, that is Glax task. How you can complete this Glax task. Okay, so everything I will show you today. So what we need to do in order to accomplish this task is just copy this link and paste your browser, which browser you used for join. Exactly used same browser, same MetaMask address, okay, inside of the Glax, okay, and it will be so much easy for them to checking you that you done every task, okay. If you do you know participate you know couple of like one wallet by doing Glax task, another wallet you to connect and interact with their blockchain. you know they justify you that you just did Glax task and you just did interact with their blockchain. It doesn't make sense them, okay. So therefore, please checking before joining that who is you know who is MetaMask account you're using. Okay, here is I'm doing desktop mode in order to see properly their website Glax. So here is I'm going to connect my 5 account that I showed you yesterday. If you found this video in this time, I will suggest you please watch my previous video I published yesterday. I do publish each day one video, and yesterday I did publish that video. Check out that video and you can be participate entirely, okay. So here we click on the login button here. Maybe you are noticed here I'm saying here is you're noticed, so click that login button. Okay, I'm saying I never quit publishing video, just stay with me until I published video. Maybe you can do something. Okay, so I clicked on MetaMask, and here is MetaMask is being opening. I don't know like what is the situation inside of the MetaMask. Let me see, because a long time later I'm entering the MetaMask. So yeah, okay, everything is okay here. So click this next button and do confirm. And after a while, MetaMask will pop up on the screen. What we need to do is just scroll here and to sign that you are the owner of the MetaMask that you are using. Okay, while you see this arrow button, okay, this this button, this what I should say shape, um, you need to remember that it is connected, okay. So here is their work. Okay, okay, we are seeing that everything like indent. So don't worry, don't freak out about it. So let me see. So if I go, if you see this thing, maybe yeah, you will see that. So click on this BeraChain, here, in order to see that anything they added after this certain task. So I'm clicking on here and I'm trying to follow them, and here is their account inside of the Glax. So let me see here while their task and nothing available to do. So don't freak out about it, because it is in debt and you don't need to do this. Okay, just interact with their website that I showed you before's video. So the important thing is here, if I do click in here, what item have been loaded. Maybe it is my network problem, but let me refresh this page. Okay, what items have been loaded. I don't know what is the hack behind it, but if I go inside of my Telegram, I already put this video, my YouTube video on the BeraChain Airdrop. So if you don't watch this video, click on this just video button and it will bring you inside of the. So here is everything you will see that about Airdrop BeraChain if you want to join, and do subscribe if you like this channel. Okay, and what I need to do is just participate and interact with their website by using this. You don't need to work on here. So I'm remove this thing inside of here. So yeah, today's video is not so much effective. I just show you. You don't need to do anything crazy about it. Just using their blockchain that put it on here. And watch entire video about it. Click on here, and it will be easier. Okay, sorry. So if you don't yet part of the community, Telegram community, here is 28 people are part of the our community. So everybody are like want to make money. This guy, he joined recently. Mr. Joined recently. A lot of people from different country, they are joined inside of my community or our community. Okay, so thank you all of those people they are joining here. Okay, so if you are part of these videos and if you see that you are inside of this community, please write down comment. And if you watch this video, where from, please let me know. And yeah, this is the video. So this channels, you know, a link you will get inside of these descriptions, this video's description. Check out and come into here, and see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting. So this is the updated, okay, about BeraChain. Like anything you need to do outside of BeraChain's network, no, you don't need to do anything at all. Just interact with their website, okay, that I put it on here. So see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.